this is your teacher Alesia, and now let's do some belly dance. We'll learn today combination easy, fun, and full of joy. So let us start. My right is in front of me and it is free. My arms are in position just sides, and I have first of all my hips. Hip accent to the side, hip accent to the side. To make this accent, I straighten my knee. 1, 2, 1, 2, and my heels are on the floor. 1, 2, 1, 2. We just need 2 of them. Then my feet are together and I do shimmy. Shimmy we can do choo-choo shimmy, like up and down, and my knees are soft, or straighten knees, and this one is stronger. So, accent, accent, shimmy. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then we change to the upper body. Chest is going to diagonal, diagonal, and I make accent. 1, 2. So this is sharp. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. And note that your elbows are not going this way. Again. 1, 2. And then we have shimmy in our chest. 3, 4. Shoulders are moving front, back, 3, 4. And on this shimmy, we can sit a little bit down. Accent, accent, 3, 4. Let's combine from the beginning. Accent, accent, she, me. Diagonal, diagonal, she, me. Again. Accent, accent, she, me. Diagonal, diagonal, she, me. Yes. Then our right is free and a little step to the back, to the side, and we have wave, 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 wave. 2 times wave, camel, camel, and I make it with my chest, belly, and hips. Chest up, belly front, hips. Chest, belly, yes, 2 times. 1, 2, left is free, and now switch sides. 1, 2, again, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. Yes, let's combine from the chest. Diagonal, diagonal, shimmy, and wave, wave, and wave, wave. Now let's combine from the beginning. Accent, accent, she, me. Diagonal, diagonal, she, me. Wave, 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 yes. Yes, good. Now we have circles, circles chest, circle hips, circle chest, circle hips. So 4 circles, but 2 with the chest and 2 with the hips. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, these circles, first of all, it's parallel to the floor, and second, I have my knees soft. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here, if you want, we can add arms in the air, like this. Wave, 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 wave. 1, 2, 1, 2. But this is additional. We can do both. 1, 2, 1, 2. Circle, 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 circle. Yes, like this or like this, as you like. Let's combine from the beginning with the hip accent. And 1, 2, she, me. Diagonal, diagonal, she, me. Wave, 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 wave. Chest, circle, circle. Yes. And now our music is changing and we have choo-choo shimmy. I stay up and my hips and my knees are working. And now we will go to the right and to the left, 360 degrees. Like this, we will run. 1, 2, 3. Now sit a little bit. I sit on my right. Then change sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, funny. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, like this. And the last movement, we are staying to the left diagonal. My left arm is in the air. My right is to the side. And I make a hip drop with the kick. Like this. Up, down, up, kick. Again, up, down, kick. Up, down, kick. Again, up, down, kick. And note that to the kick, the foot must look like this. Not like this, like this. Okay. We will have only one of this. 1, 2. Then we have 3 hip accents. 1, 2, 3. These are drops. Down, down, down. So the accent is to the floor. Again, with the kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And the last movement, again, hip drop with the kick. And we just have the kiss. Mwah. Okay, let's combine from the beginning all of this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Mwah.
I want to chop your mouth.